Right, back on another nature adventure. This time the Ladybird Trail in Beamish Woods connects to the River Team. Walked a few miles just to get here. This was a trail I had on my channel maybe 3 or 4 times last year, but since we're starting again and it's at the end of the summer, I think this is going to be really overgrown. We'll see what it's like. Hope he's all doing well. Wasn't meant to be a Newcastle video, but the new exhaust, so haven't got the car and I'm kind of bust out, to be honest. So hopefully Newcastle videos this weekend or next week in the middle. There's a few videos I want to do. If you haven't watched the videos I put up last week, the first video I think was just the town centre walk around. I went to the Castle Keep, I went to the Black Gate, and the Castle Keep you needed to pay, so I'm hoping to go there next week. So breathe in the views, the sounds. I come here when I'm down or anxious and it usually helps. It's funny that, but it really does. Lucky to live near these kind of woods, or any form of countryside at all, to be honest. To be cut off in the city would be not nice. This already looks overgrown, to be honest. Oh, look at this. Right. Two ways I've got to go back. I'm going to go the long way today, and I'll show you where this trail starts. Oh, this is our first hurdle. Oh, look at this, you're joking us, man. I don't know if that shows up. I'm going in here like, nah, how deep? Oh, you've got to be joking, I can't get across this. Oh, yeah, dodgy. Hope that's the last of that. Blazing sun all day as soon as I come out. Clouds. Yeah, the path's gone. I'll keep quiet for a few minutes. Let's get some nature sounds. Might get some nature sounds further down. Lol. What you can hear is me walking. Oh, nearly swallowed a fly. I'm getting attacked. Come on, guys. I think to mention, if you're watching YouTube quite a bit and I mean, there's so many rabbit holes on YouTube. Click on one thing, you'll get the negative version, then down and further you go. I reset that like weekly, to be honest. If you're ever feeling down and you're stuck in the house, turn your telly off and get out of the house. I forced myself to do this. And it takes a lot just to get up and get out. But on a completely opposite and kind of taking the mick out of what I've just said, it's not YouTube though, it's Netflix. What's the series called? The Midnight Club. Anybody seen that? It's pretty good. I'm not normally into stuff like that, but Sunday on the city, ill, couldn't find anything to watch. Thought, alright, Midnight Club, TV series. It's creepy, but I think I'm on like episode 7 of it. It's been alright so far. What's up here? Actually, I went up there last year. That will be overgrown. Look at that old tree there, look. Still alive. Doesn't look it from the bottom. Someone's out with the shotguns, I heard them. You do get them round here. This tree will be absolutely ancient. Just like these forests. Rabbit holes and that down there. Like Robin Hood style, but Geordie's. Robin Hood with a Geordie accent and Beamish. Yeah, mate, you need sheriff, you like. Taking your gold, giving it to them over there. The skinned. I'll put that on silent. That's nicer. Pity about the tyre down there, like I know somebody's got a tyre in here. See any fish? Watch the GoPro just fall straight off into the river. That would be funny. Yeah, it's lovely that. Speaking of other films, has anyone bought... Oh, the puff's completely gone, yeah, really. John Carpenter's The Thing in 4K or Aliens on 4K. Is it worth the upgrade from Blu-ray? So I was in CEX the other day, and I'm pretty cheap. I'm trying to get together a 4K collection, because I'm hoping to sell my house. I'm going to get a camper van and just for stuff to do. I won't really have the internet. I'll still upload videos, so if I can't do it from the camper van, I'll just go to libraries. I do have one of them TP you get SIM cards. I've got a TP because I haven't got the internet in the house at the moment because my house is up for sale. So I've got a TP what's it called, man? Like MiFi, like portable Wi-Fi thing. I got a Smarty SIM card, which is I think it's £17 a month and it's unlimited data. But I can't get a good signal in my house. I've been trying to play on No Man's Sky for the last week and a half and they keep... Whoa, a heron? Really? Look at the size of that. Is that picking up? You know what? We're going to pass it. It's just one of them trees there. I'm guessing that's what it was. That was huge, that though. And I can't get a signal in my house, so when I'm on the road, hopefully I will. I feel the call to explore. But why not? I've worked over a quarter of a century. Maybe I can take a gap year. Go for a little mish, little adventure. Where did that bird go there? It was massive. I'm assuming it was that noise I heard before as well. Should I do a caw? No. Let's see a deer. We've seen a giant bird. I'd love to see a deer. Haven't seen any on the video so far. Anyone enjoy listening to me talk? Please don't put that in the comments saying no. Nah, I've got a joke, I don't care. I'm not bothered. I've mentioned on a video before though, if you're bored, you're stuck in, it doesn't matter if anyone watches your videos. It gives you just something to do. It's fun. Video it. A little bit of editing. That gets you a little bit better at that kind, a little skillful at editing, which I'm not like, but I try. Then you look forward to doing your next one. As long as it's a hobby and you don't expect anything, then yeah, just don't put any expectations on it. I do these to show off the northeast. It's in the description of the channel. No other reason for doing it. I think you need like 3,000 watch hours. I think I've got 19 watch hours. So it'll probably take another, I don't know, 25 years to get monetized or something. Someone's really letting off of them shotguns though in the background. I can hear them. Still pretty warm for mid-September. I've got some good video ideas for Newcastle. I have videos for other cities and towns in the northeast as well. I just want to wait for summer to end, dark nights to come in a little bit. Because Newcastle's excellent doing, I love doing videos in Newcastle. Like Saturdays and stuff like that. Like 5, 6 o'clock, walking around the quay and stuff. Just shows up better, I think. Newcastle's beautiful, but even more so at night. Right, around this corner over here, that's where I'm expecting the complete overgrown. So hopefully there's not going to be any creepy crawlies kicking about. When I left my door before, the back door, which I rarely go out on that side, walked into a giant spider. Cheeky get. I think it's in the house as well, I couldn't find it. What kind of bird that was? I hope it showed up. It's weird with the chest mount on because I'm looking one way, but obviously if I'm just turning my head, the camera just faces forward. If iPhone's audio wasn't so bad, I would just use an iPhone. It's getting dark though, considering it's like dinner time. That's English dinner time, like 12, 1 o'clock. I think I'm going to get a lamp on. But I've still got my umbrella from Windermere and my raincoat. This is the River Team. Let's see. This has been completely cut. I'm over the moon. Last time I was here, I couldn't get through. It was like 7, 8 foot high. But yeah, farmer's done a good job just mowing through this. Planted something, tried to keep off it. The path's pretty much gone. Sometimes it's better just to listen to somebody talk, you know, if you're stuck. So even if I'm just talking rubbish, just put us on in the background. We're probably in the same boat. Not like I'm down or anything, just going from my house to sell. A bit bored, that's all. Actually thinking about starting the Dead Board Club back off for 6 or 7 months to give us something to do. I give all of the t-shirts, jumpers, hoodies, give it all to charity. I've still got the patches though. I could restart it legally. Yeah, I think I'll give about 700 or 800 t-shirts away at the charity. Loads of hoodies and jumpers. Just, I think it was about 20 to 25 charity bags full. Funnily enough though, I've never seen anybody wearing them. So I'm kind of gutted. I was thinking, right, if I give like over 1,000 pieces of clothing away, I might see somebody walking around. Please put in the comments if you were subscribed or watching this channel when I still ran the Dead Board Club Bear clothing brand. See how long you've actually been here. That would be amazing. Somebody's done an amazing job here. This would be completely overgrown. I don't know how they've got something over here. Oh, it's getting a bit muddy. I think this is the alligator strip. They come flying down here. Got to slip down here, straight into there, straight into here. Could be telling the truth, probably not. That's nice up there. Surely they're my shotguns. I mean, what else could it be? It sounds like it's coming from... Well, actually, I think Beamish Museum's about 1.5 miles, 2 miles away from here. What's crawling around in there? I wonder if this would be creepy at night. Probably about 1 mile away from any house, not like shop or anything really. It would, probably about as deep in the woods as you could get. Why would there be a wall there? This is some kind of foundation. This tree's literally built. It's grown on top of this wall. Weird. Oh. I'm tired out now. Thing is, at the end of this trail I've still got another, I think, 1.5 mile, 2 mile to the bus. Oh, squirrel, did I catch it? No red squirrels around here. Did see pots, like conservation pots, while I was driving through though. I had signs of saying red squirrel conservation area. Maybe it's not conservation area, but conservation area. Went up on that tree. Still haven't seen a deer though. A deer would be main thing. Where are the Beamish Woods deers? So we're coming up to the end of this trail and massive hills, and I just don't like hills. And I've done this walk trail backwards compared to what I would normally do, and left all the hills to the end. That's lovely, that breeze. Got a tree blocking the path over here, I think. So again, this is Ladybird Trail, running alongside the River Team in Beamish Woods. I'll show you the beginning of the trail, the real beginning of the trail, at the end of the video, should you want to walk it. How am I getting through? Right, well, I'm 6 foot, and this is about 3 foot off the ground. What time is it? 1:30. Is that giant bird? No. Right, I'm knocked. How many foot's down there? Oh. I need a scooter Uber, a scuba. I've trademarked that. Uber can't steal it. Scubas. I'll video till the end. I don't like cutting things out. If you're bored and you've actually started crying because this video's bored you so much, I apologise. It happens. I think it's sending the dogs after us now. I can hear gunshots. And dogs, whoa! Oh no, look at all them steps. No, man. There better not be cows and stuff in this field. Don't like farm animals. Now I'm knocked. I've got a bottle of water in my bag, I've just remembered. Can I reach it? Oh, I apologise for the noise. You don't have to be fit to walk in the woods. I am nowhere near fit. Last year I was, beginning of last year, fittest I've ever been in my life. Now, I feel like I'm starting everything over again. But if I don't, I'll just get worse, so having the choice of starting again is better than not having the choice at all. Yes, nearly there. Right, don't be cows or anything. Well, your dog can scare or harm farm animals. Northern Saints Trails, 1488. What's this one say? Houston Neighbourhood Ramble, Ladybird Trail, Heritage Way, Houston Neighbourhood. That must be well close to them. Right. So unfit. Look at all of them cows. Nah, I'm not walking through this. Oh, they're looking at us and everything, or any of them bulls. That's a barbed wire fence, that. Nah, I'm not looking. Oh, yeah. Right, so what I did was, I'll edit this bit out and I'll I mean, they're literally all standing up and looking at us. It's another few hundred yards. This one's coming for us, look. Oh, they're growling at us or something, if cows even do that. I don't even eat red meat. Guys, are you chicken and fish? He's gonna let us cross. Stuff this. I'm not bottling, there's no way I'm walking that whole thing back. But literally, why have like half of them? Oh, this is so random. Do I get there? Right, man up. I'll stick to the corners, to the edges. Give us a stick. Whoa, nearly bit the dust. Right, they're not coming, but they're all staring. Right, this is going to be my closest point, and there's a black and white one at the back. And I'm a Newcastle supporter, ex-season ticket holder. I'm not running. I'm not running away. For anyone who knows I hate farm animals. I keep getting chased by goats at petting zoos. My sister calls us the goat whisperer. Keep your distance, cows. Yeah. I forgot me inhaler. I don't know what it is with stuff like that. Do one. It's not too soon. Right. As long as them don't run after us, just got to make it over here. I'm not bothered how I come across. I've seen them chase people. I've been chased by them. I don't blame them. I need a hay fever tablet, me inhaler though. I can't believe I forgot me inhaler. Have I forgot it? Haha. That's not good. Oh, right. We made it to the end. I didn't chicken out. Could have edited it. Right. This is Ladybird Trail. This is where you start. So Bob Robson's old house up here. Come down to here. And there's the marking you want. Ladybird Trail. Lovely walk. Half an hour-ish. We've got a lot of walking to get here, and there's loads of trails in Beamish. Right. I'm going to nash quickly. Hopefully my next video won't be too long. Later.